Hi, welcome to the video. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I will discuss about Chrome MSSI. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, I request to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest upcoming videos. So let's start the video. Chrome MSI Microsoft installer is a renditions of Google Chrome intended for organization in big businesses, conditions and enormous scope establishments. This is similar to the customary Chrome installer which is basically planned for individual clients. Microsoft MSI offers highlights and capacities that works with simple and productive sending and executives of the program across numerous PCS inside an association. Key highlights and benefits. First of all, silent installation. Chrome MSI permits its overseers to convey the program quickly with next to no client's collaboration expected during the establishment interaction. This is especially helpful in huge association whereas a manual establishment on over gadget would be tedious and unrealistic. Group strategies support. Chrome MSI is explicitly intended to coordinate with Microsoft gathering strategy, empowering directors to design and implement different programs, settings and arrangements across all gadgets in the organization from concentrated area. Customization options. The MSI installers gives various customization choice, permitting disk directors to fit the establishment as per their association necessities. They can predefine default setting, impairs or empower specific elements, oversee expansions. From there, the sky is the limit. Number 4, automatic update control. Heads have some controls overs and deal with the update cycle for Chrome utilizing approach. The components guarantee that all gadgets in the organization are on a similar form, decreasing potential similarity issues. Thanks for watching.